Stay for more. And this is what we get. What do we have here? Plug. Wait a second. I have no idea. I think this is for European plugs, I believe, because this probably came from Europe. Uh-oh. Another, I think this is like Britain somewhere. I don't know. Great Britain. I have no idea. I think this is American. Okay. And then we got, I think, USB-C for Veo. Okay. Now the big boy. This is it. Boom. Veo 3. This one is with the 5G. Right? So this is how it looks like. This is the bottom of it. As you can see, it's got that speaker here. I don't know what the fuck is this, but yeah. This is the camera, and this is the camera. So yeah, that's pretty much how it looks like. It's pretty cool. I think we have a strap. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but that's how it is. So what we got is this guy. Got the Veo. We got the plug. American style. We got the USB-C. Different plugs from a different countries. See? Cool. Yeah, that's what you get for almost $4,000. That's it. That's everything. This is with, it does not, they don't sell the tripod together, so everything is separate. So that's what you get, literally for $3,000. So stay tuned on how we're gonna install it. So peace.